Good morning, everybody. I'm Kathy Hester, and it's very early. Are you guys even awake yet? It seems just like moments ago we were making borscht, doesn't it? But that was a whole sleep away. So happy Friday the 13th. It looks like fall outside. I'm pretty stoked. And you know what today is? Today is when we announce the winner of the Duo Air. So I went and did through the magic of Rafflecopter, which is why I used it. So it put all your entries in, and I push a button and it comes up with, hello, this is the person who's won. Surprisingly enough, it's someone I think we all know who shows up to all the lives. I had nothing to do with that. Good morning, Cindy. It's awesome to see you. And Brandy and Linda. You guys just never sleep. I am impressed. I'm starting to feel tired from doing all the lives this week, but it's been lovely. Tonight I am not going to do a live because I've got an experiment to do for tomorrow's class. So what I would love it, and in again, somewhere around, depending on what platform you're watching this in and when you're watching it, there's all the information about my November classes. So tomorrow, Saturday, at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're going to do a full Thanksgiving dinner, soup to dessert. Then the week after at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're going to do some cool vegan cheeses, including kind of a ricotta cottage cheese that I'm pretty stoked to show you. And then we're going to make up a pub cheese recipe. That's what I'm going to do next week. So anyhow, without any further ado, let me show you who won. Oh, can you guys, there we go. Now you can see. Jackie P won. And we all know Jackie because she's in here a lot. She's our friend that works in a health food store too, so she tells us some really great things. So I have already sent, stop doing that. There we go. Thank you. Oh, Linda, you're so sweet. She says, I'm the highlight of your day. That makes me feel a little sad and happy at the same time because I feel like I am not the highlight of my day. I know. Congratulations, Jackie. It was just kind of awesome. It was somebody we knew. That's one of the reasons I wanted to put it into Rafflecopter so we could do it longer and there would be more ways to enter, and that I am literally, it can't even be a counting mistake on my part. Oh, Cindy, you're so sweet. She says, besides being a great cook, I am a motivator. Okay, so what are you going to do that's cool for yourself today? Because for me, because I've just exhausted myself this week, I have to tell you. I'm going to the chiropractor, which will be awesome. And then I think we're just going to piddle around a little bit. And then I'm going to come home and do some testing. And tomorrow we'll have an awesome class. So for me, that's a kind of a relaxing, light day. I'm going to let myself do a few things, whatever I want. And so I hope you guys are giving yourself a little space or doing something super special. And big surprise, not to those of you who watch a lot of times, probably my piddling around will happen at Ben City Bargains in Burlington, which is an Amazon discount store. I wear masks, gloves. It's a giant warehouse, so there's lots of airflow and there's lots of space to stay a good social distance. So it's the one place that I've really been going that I can kind of just, and you dig through bins. They take these giant pallets and just put them in these like cheap wooden bins that are 20, 30 feet long, and there's like 10 of them. And you just go through, and sometimes you find Kind vitamins, sometimes you find a case of Amy's chili, and the price is whatever the price is that day. Today is $8 day. So if it's not something like a case, we aren't buying it. We'll come back on dollar day. It's kind of cool. So if you live near Burlington, Lexington, or Wilmington, they have locations there. So, and if you're there, wave and tell me you're there. Okay, you guys, so I think that's about it today. I know this is probably the shortest live I've ever done. Do you have any questions for me? And again, if you're just watching this and you didn't watch the whole series this week of what I've done, this is the Instant Pot Duo Crisp. So it has 2 lids. It has the pressure cooker lid, or really the lid for everything but air frying, let's be honest. It has this little guy that we put our air fryer stuff in. This is where, when we take the hot piping air fryer lid, so there's a fan and some coils there. We sit it here. We don't touch it like that when it's hot. We keep our hands away and we put it on here so it doesn't burn our counter. That way we can look in here and see, oh, is that done yet? Right? So that is the quick overview of the Duo Crisp. Aw, and Cindy says, oh man, missed the series and have missed you. Well, you know what? On Plant-Based Instant Pot Facebook page and probably everywhere else, all my pages and groups, be sure to join my group if you're not already. Vegan Recipes Cooking with Kathy Hester. It's a free Facebook group. There's like 7,500 amazing people who are super helpful. Most of, the regulars on these lives are members of Kathy's Facebook group. Kathy, be me. I was going to call it Kathy's Cooking Club, but it is a different thing. It is Cooking with Kathy Hester. I know, Brandy, whoever wins that is really lucky, and Jackie deserves to be really lucky. She works really hard at her local natural food store for all the people like us who go and shop there. So I'm glad that she gets a treat. And we'll see. I'll look around and see if I've got some other things, or if I can work out some giveaways with some other people coming up. Sometimes I don't like to do it. It just depends. It depends on how good of a fit it is. But I might be able to talk to some people, because I'm just randomly doing Friday finds. So I might be able to contact a couple of those people and see if they'll do a giveaway too, since I'm talking about their products, because you guys seem to really like it. But Cindy, you can go back, and I do an unboxing one day. I don't even know if I'll go backwards. Yesterday I made borscht. The day before I made cauliflower po' boys. And the day before that, I made something else in the Instant Pot, and it's too early for me to even remember. Yeah, and I'll show this again so everyone can see who won. Yay, Jackie. But you can go back, and then you can cook along with me on all those things. I swear I can't. It is hilarious that I cannot remember what I made 3 days ago. That is how tired I am. My little brain is just like, let's go to the bin store, Kathy, please. And I'm like, okay, all right. So anyhow, you guys have a wonderful Friday the 13th. I think the fact that somebody won this on Friday the 13th has good things to say about today. So I think today is going to be our very, very lucky day. So let's put that in our pocket and walk around with that thought in our heads, okay? I don't know when my next live is. Please come join me for the Thanksgiving class. Again, if you notice, wherever you look, or if you're in Vegan Recipes Cooking with Kathy Hester, I have been putting up codes for the monthly bundles that you can pay you could either pay $10, $25, $50, or the regular price of $60, so that it can fit into your budget. I do still have a couple of scholarship positions available for this month. So I try to keep, I have a set number of people that I allow in for free. So if you're having, like if $10 would take groceries out of your refrigerator, email me at kathyhester@gmail.com. And it could be no simpler than that. kathyhester@gmail.com. And I want to see you in class. Let's make an easy Thanksgiving dinner and just kind of hang out. Thank you, Linda. I knew someone would tell me. We made pasta and sauce, and that's why I didn't remember it, because it's not very memorable having jarred sauce and pasta, but what is memorable is cooking it in the Instant Pot, so you don't even have to do anything. And Brandy had to think about that too. I know, it's like, whoa, who knows what's going on? Okay, guys, again, have a beautiful, wonderful day and weekend, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow in my Thanksgiving class.